Goodbye to bad breath thanks to this. The human body is very impressive, but we must provide the right services for it to work properly. When one of its components fails, the whole system suffers. A clear example of this is when you wake up in the morning and surely your breath is not the most pleasant of all. Well, this is due to the bacteria that accumulate in the mouth, which every morning cause a bad smell. To finish off this bad smell, we will recommend a drink that is very easy to prepare and all its ingredients are natural. This drink must take it once you get up, and with it you will end up with the bad smell of your breath, but not only that, also the one of your sweat. So be prepared to prepare it. Drink to combat bad smell. Ingredients: parsley 1 branch, ginger 1 piece, cabbage 5 leaves, apples 2 units, lemon juice 1 unit. Preparation method: to begin, we must thoroughly wash the parsley, ginger and cabbage. In this way, we will eliminate any dirt that can be found in them. Afterwards, we will put all the ingredients in a blender. Now, we will beat everything very well until we get a homogeneous substance. Finally, we serve the smoothie in a glass. This powerful drink must be consumed every morning before breakfast. This will be more than enough to combat the bad odor in the mouth. In addition, by its many properties, it will prevent other parts of the body, such as the armpits, smell bad when we start to sweat. Thus, the bad smell will be a thing of the past. Recommendations: it is worth mentioning that this drink is not magic, and with this we do not mean that it does not serve, but also you must help it. Every morning when you wake up you wash your teeth, floss and of course a mouthwash. This is the way we can give help to the great system of the human body. Also, we avoid having that unpleasant smell